Hey, so today we're going to talk about expanding the business of selling golf putting tools. So this is my client Paul. Paul, welcome to Expand the Business. Hey, I want to jump right in here because I think this is such a cool product. Give me the
Okay.
two products that you do right now to help people shave strokes off their golf game.
Okay. Thanks for having me. Our first one is we call it the big ball. It's a larger than regulation golf ball, and it's a warm-up tool. Here's your regulation. The idea is it's harder to get a larger object in the hole because it's easier to get the smaller one. It's bigger, it's heavier. It's like when you start playing any like basketball, they use a
Okay.
bigger, heavier ball. When you get there, you can do this, and they take you to regulation. So it's a warm-up tool. Use it
Okay,
on
so
the
it's much
court,
like
use it
it's
at
much
home.
like it's much like baseball using one of the bat
Right.
helmets right before the guys go up. Okay, cool.
Right, exactly.
What's the second one?
Second one is our putting green.
Okay.
Basically, it's a visualization tool. It's 4 feet long. We use these lengthwise and vertical lines, and we use actually a puck instead of a ball. And the
Okay.
idea is it's a visualization tool. How is your putter coming across this white line that you see right here? If
Okay.
your face angle is good, it's going to go. If not, it's going to go left or right. It's a immediate feedback
Awesome.
tool.
Cool. So, Paul, what I want to do is I kind of want to just walk through a few ways that I think you could start selling like 10, 100 times more of these things, like straight away. So, I'm going to presume I know no way that you're currently selling them. So, I'm coming at this
Okay.
from this is how I would do it if this were my business. Number one, I would guess that 80% of the people that demo this thing that actually click a ball buy it. Am I correct?
Correct.
Okay, so this is about demo, 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 demo. So I would literally go to every networking event I go to. I would find out the guys and gals that have brick and mortar businesses, and I would say, hey, can I come in for an hour? I'll put it on my social media. I would then come back into the room, into the store, have a place to generate email lists because we always want to be generating our
Right.
email list, right? Then I would say on my social media, I'm going to tell everybody where I am. So you're going to bring in foot traffic to the business. They're going to get the email addresses that you collect. Maybe you do a deal with them or whatever, and you do these joint ventures where it's like literally go in and have people putt. Doesn't matter if they're golfers or not golfers. People are going to have fun. Now the upside benefit of this, on top of selling more cash and carry, is number one, it gives you the ability to collect cash. Number two, it gives you the ability to bundle. So you've got two products there. So if somebody wants one, give them the other. So in this case, you're going to be demoing the iPutt Better putting green. You'd be offering them the big ball as an upsell. Essentially, would you like fries with that? The upsell,
Right.
right?
Correct.
Secondly, if they only buy the iPutt Better, what I would do is as soon as they walk away, I would check a box by their email address. I'd then follow them up with an email at the end of the day that says, hey, you forgot the big ball. Add it here. I'll do free shipping or whatever. That's number one. Second thing I would do is I would go after brick and mortar businesses again that we want to help generate leads for. And I would create like little I call them lead boxes, but like lucite little deals where people can drop their business card to win a free lunch or win a free whatever. Do win a free putting green. Help shave strokes off your putting. Shave strokes off your putting. Right. Finally win the bet against your buddies on the golf course. Right.
Right.
So now you got leads coming in that are capturing those leads, and you could have 10, 20, 100, 1,000 of those boxes laid out all throughout your local community. Now it's just a matter of going and collecting them. And if you think about it, let's say our cost is, and I don't know the cost, so I don't want to presume anything, but let's say our cost is $40 for this thing. Well, if you get 40 entries to this thing, you're essentially buying $1 per lead. That's what you're paying, is $1 per lead. But here's the sexy part. Now you're being able to sell them other stuff because now they're on your email list. So now you can sell them, you can upsell them. Hey, sorry you didn't win, but as a consolation, we're going to give you 40% off. Boom. And a free sandwich at the local sandwich shop or whatever. Right.
Hmm.
So that's number two. Number three is I would then take every opportunity to collect as many videos as humanly possible. You and I both know people, we can tell them all about this all day long. They're not going to get it. They want to be able to
Right.
see it. They want to be able to see it in action. So all these people that we demo, whether we take it, we demo it at our networking events, we demo it at gyms and pizza shops, or we demo it at arcades or places like kids karate
Hmm.
dojos where the kids are taking lessons, but parents are bored. Let them come over and whack a ball.
Right.
Right? Now we have the ability to create that demo, but that demo now is done with video. So now you've got a video light, and you set that video light up, and you put your phone on there. You're doing a TikTok live, so you're just talking about the whole thing with your link to go buy the iPut. Secondly, you're taking every one of those demos. Each one of those demos could be a short on YouTube. And then finally, and here's where I think the huge value is, Paul, on top of, I know you're building a newsletter and a YouTube channel, is I would go get an Amazon associate link, which is essentially the affiliate for Amazon. And I would go find the links to the best-selling putters, the best-selling golf bags, the best-selling golf balls, all the stuff that a golfer would need. And I would create a block, so it's kind of like a signature block at the end. And that's what I would put at the bottom of every single one of your YouTube videos. So even if people are not yet ready to buy iPut Better,
Right.
they might be ready to go buy something over on Amazon. And as you and I know, the Amazon affiliate program is amazing because it's just passive. Does that make sense?
Right. No, it all makes sense. They're great, wonderful ideas.
Awesome. So Paul, those are my quick 3 easy, simple ideas to help you sell more. iPut Better. I'm going to drop your iPut Better link and all your socials in the video below. So you guys, if you are ready to shave some strokes off your golf game, or you have a golfer in your life that has a birthday or celebrates a holiday and you need a gift because you know that you can't oversaturate a golfer's toolbox,
That's
check
true.
out both of these products by Paul. Paul, thank you so much for being on here. I will see you guys next time.
Thanks, Casey.